Hey guys, little tech tip for all you Jeep dummies out there. Don't see anyone really talking about this, so figured I'd go over it while I have this on here. But first, before I do that, if you're wondering, gee Corey, am I a Jeep dummy? There's lots of ways to tell, but I'd say the biggest indication is if you ride around with bath toys on your dash, on your wherever. Dream of giving away bath toys to other Jeep dummies. But anyway, we'll move on. If you are a Jeep dummy, this is a front axle, a JK Dana 44 Rubicon front axle. Little thing we always do, so we'll go back to a tech tip. Your axle seals are right inside of here. Right here, right here. The biggest issue with these is water, dirt, grime, lays in these tubes here, wears in through this axle seal. So the solution here that nobody really knows, this is the trick behind it, is you drill holes out here. You drill some holes, they're underneath here, but you can see there's a hole there, hole there. Same on this side. Hole underneath, hole up front for water flow, there, holes all over. Now what happens is when the water, mud, whatever gets in here, more water, mud, whatever, goes into these holes, but it washes and drains out through the bottom, right here, through the holes you put in there. Nothing can lay in this axle tube, nothing will lay in this axle tube here and eat through this seal and work its way into here. Little tech tip. All you Jeep dummies. And just remember, you saw it online. It's got to be the truth.